A equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2. And we want to find A to the 10. Okay. If we consider A to the 10, it will be 1 plus root 5 over 2 to the power of 10. And by power rule, we know that x over y to the power of m equal to x to the power of m over y to the power of. And it is equal to 1 plus root 5 power of 10 all over the power of over 2 to the power of 10. Now I consider, so I should focus on finding 1 plus root 5 to the power of 1 plus root 5 squared. Let's calculate this first. Look, x plus y squared equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. And if I apply it here, it will be 1 squared plus root 5 squared plus 2 times 1 times root 5. And it will be 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2 root 5. Okay? Now in next step, I say 1 plus root 5 to the power of 4. Let me tell you something. X to the power of m to the power of n equal to x to the power of mn. So we can say it is equal to 1 plus root 5 squared squared. 1 plus root 5 squared by previous line, it is 6 plus 2 root 5 squared. And it will be 6 squared plus 2 root 5 squared plus 2 times 6 times 2 root 5. 6 squared is 36. 2 root 5 squared is 4 times 5, 20. Plus 2 times 2, 4 times 6, 24 root 5. And it will be 56 plus 24 root 5. Now, in next step, I want to calculate 1 plus root 5 to the 8. So it will be what? It will be previous one squared. 1 plus root 5 by power rule to the 4 squared. 1 plus root 5 to the 4 by previous line is 56 plus 24 root 2 squared. It will be 56 squared plus 24 root 2 squared plus 2 times 56 times 24 root. Okay, so let's simplify 56 squared. Let's calculate that. 56 times 56 times 6, 36, we have 3. 6 times 5, 30 plus 3, 33. 5 times 6, 30, we have 3. 5 times 5, 25 plus 3, 28. 6, 3, 11. Now, let me write it 1 plus root 5 to the 8. 1 plus root 5 to the 8. So it will be 31, 36 for first. 24 square is good to memorize 24. 1 to 31 square, less than 1000. It will be 576. So if we multiply by root 2 squared, it will be 576. Root 2 squared is 2. Plus 2 times 56 times 24. 52 times 56 times 24. 56 times 24. 4 times 6, 24. We have 2. 4 times 5, 20 plus 2, 22. 2 times 6, 12. We have 1. 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, 11. We have 4, 4, 3, 1. Now we multiply it by 2. And it will be times root 2. It was this part. So let's see what we have. The first part is 31, 36. The next one. 2 times 6, 12. We have 1. 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15. We have 1. 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, 11. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 3, 6, 2. Root 2. If we calculate 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 3, 2. 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 26, 88. Root 2. So We found this. Now it's the time to find a the power of 10. If we want to find a to the power of 10, I say we know to the power of 2 is what? We know to the power of 8 is what? So 1 by power rule. We know that a to the m times a to the n equal to a to the m plus n. We want to use that. Let me erase the things here we don't need anymore. Okay. Now 1 plus root 5 to the power of 10 equal 1 plus root by this rule, 1 plus root 5 power of 8 times 1 plus root 5 squared. 1 plus root 5 to the power 8 from previous line, it will be 4288 plus 2688 root 2. 1 plus root 5 squared here is 6 plus 2 root 5. 6 plus 2, let me check, 2 root 5. Oh, here, let me tell you. Here we made a mistake, but it's not important. I will correct this. This 24 root 5. So it will be 24 root 5. Let me correct this part easily. And this part, the only thing that will change is that here we should multiply by 5, 24 squared. So let me correct this. It will be by 5, this part. Let's erase that, erase this, erase this, erase this, erase this, erase this. Okay. So root 5 times 5. Okay. First one, 31, 36. This by 5. 5 times 6, 30. We have 3. 5 times 7, 35, 38. 3. 5 times 5, 25 plus 3, 28. And this one will be 5. And this one will be 5. And some of them will be 6. 8 plus 3, 11. We have 1. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. We have 1. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. We have 60, 16 plus 26, 88 root 5. So let's use that. Let's erase this part. 60, 16 plus 26, 88 root 5. And 6 plus 2 root 5. Let's multiply. Let's write with another color. Oh. 6 times 60, 16 is 6. So first, let's multiply these two terms. 6 times 6, 36. We have 3. 6 times 1 plus 3, 9. 6 times 0, 6. 6 times 6, 36. Plus this times this. 2 times 6, 12. We have 1. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 6, 12. Root 5. Then let's multiply these two terms. Plus 6 times 8, 48. We have 4. 6 times 8, 48 plus 4, 52. We have 5. 6 times 6, 36. Plus 5, 41. We have 4. 6 times 2, 12. Plus 4, 16. Root 5. And the last term is 2 times this times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So you say 26, 88, 0. Now, let's add up these two terms first. 0 plus 6, 6. 9 plus 8, 17. We have 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Next digit, 6 plus 6, 12. We have 1. 3 plus 2, 5. Plus 1, 6. Plus. Next term. 8 plus 2, 10. We have 1. 2 plus 3, 5. Plus 1, 6. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 6, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. Root 5. So the answer of this problem, it is what? 1 plus root 5 to the 10th. So we can say the answer of this problem is this over 2 to the power of 10. 2 to the power of 10 is what? Is 1024. Now let's also simplify this. Numerator is multiple of 4. Let's see, is it multiple of 8? 17. It's multiple of 8. So let's first divide both numerator and denominator by 8. It will be 122, 264, 8. If we divide by 8, it will be 7 times 8, 56, 69. 8 times 8, 64, 57. 7 times 8, 56, 16. 2 times. If you divide by 8, it will be 3 times 8, 24. We have 41. 5 times 8, 40. We have 16. 2, 0. Now, again, let's see. Is it multiple of 4 numerator? Yes. Multiple of 8. Let's check. Yes. Let's divide by 8. Let me write with another color. If we divide this by 8, it will be 116. If we divide this by 8, it will be 9 times 8, 72, 67. 8 times 8, 64, 32. 32 divided by 8 is 4. If we divide this by 8, 3. 4 times 8, 32. 32 again. 4 times 8, 32, 0. Now, let's see. Is it multiple of 8 again? Yes. Is it multiple of 8 again? Yes. So let's divide again by 8. It will be 1, 18. 2 times 8, 16, 24. 3 times 8. And this one will be what? It will be 5 times 8, 40. Again, we have 40. 5 times. So, and we divide by 8, it will be 2. So the answer is 123 plus 55 root 5 all over 2. So I said this to work a little on binomial theorem calculational things. Also, you can solve it with another solution. Try to find this is root of what polynomial, and then you can solve it with an easier way. So let's find it as homework. Try to see it is root of what polynomial. It's not hard. You should cross multiply first, and then take all things to one side, and then root 5 the other side. Let me show you this homework. So here, a is 1 plus root 5 over 2. Cross multiply 2a equal to 1 plus root 5. And 2a minus 1 is root 5. And if you raise to the power of 2, it will be 4a squared minus 4a plus 1 equal to 5. And you can conclude 4a squared minus 4a minus 4 equal to 0. Then you can conclude a squared minus a minus 1 equal to 0. And then you can conclude a squared equal to a plus 1. And then you can conclude a, for example, cube equal to a squared plus a equal to, using previous one, because it is a times a squared. And a squared again is a plus 1, it will be 2a plus 1. And you can use something like this and try to find again a4 in terms of a, something like this, and solve the problem. So solve it this way. Comment your answers below this video. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. Thank you.